Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got something new to share with you. You might be familiar with Jarmabox, the monthly Pajamas subscription box. I've unboxed a few of their boxes on my channel, but this is Jarmabox Select. What makes it different is that you get to choose the products that go inside this box. Jarmabox was kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You'll find links to the Select box and the Jarmabox subscription box down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. If you're interested in one of these boxes for yourself, if you use code DBGNOV, which I'll pop down in my description as well, you'll receive a free mask which has a retail price of £20, and they've sent me this so that I can share with you. And this is by MZ Skin by Dr. Mayim Zamami. This is a Hydra Lift Gold Face Mask. Lifting and Hydrating Hydrogel Face Mask. So you'll receive one of those with your box. The cost of these boxes are £39.99 and that includes shipping, and they currently only ship within the UK. Now inside you get to choose the pyjama set that you want in a selection of different sizes, which start from a UK size 6 to a UK 22. Next you get to choose 4 products from a range of 28 different beauty products. This is a brand new service that they've released alongside their monthly subscription box. So I think that's it as far as information goes. You'll find all details down in my description, and if there's anything I've missed then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what I picked. That's what it looks like. Give you a quick sneak peek first. First up, it's a familiar. I've already received one of these before and I do really like them, which is why I chose them again. These are 3 microfiber cleansing cloths from the Vintage Cosmetics company, and yeah, they remove your makeup without using any product. Although saying that, I don't use them for like that. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Leopard print, super soft. I apply cleanser to my face and then I rinse it off with these. I cannot stand running my hands underwater to try and rinse off whatever I've got on my face. I hate it. No matter what I do, I always end up with a puddle on the floor. Ugh, I absolutely hate it. So yeah, big fan of these cloths because they just get the makeup off really nicely, gentle on the skin, and I don't get soaked. So I got a pack of 3 of them to add to my collection. Next up, I chose a product by Pixie. This is Skin Treats H2O Skin Drink. It contains aloe vera and green tea. This is pure hydration gel. There's 35 mils here. It's like a moisturiser. You apply it to your face AM, PM, after cleanse, tone skin and before makeup. It says for extra depuffing, chill before use. I have never tried this before, so I thought this sounded lovely. I love the fact I could put it in the fridge. I can put most skincare products in the fridge, but yeah, I was really drawn to that. So if you've tried any of these products before, please let me know what you think of them as well. Like jelly. Woo! It's wanting to escape. Oh, it smells lovely. Quite subtle, but a really nice fresh smell. Intense moisture gel instantly rehydrates dry skin for a smooth, revitalized complexion. Encapsulated water absorbs into skin for maximum nourishment. Powerfully refreshing, plumping and cooling, yet has a super light texture. Thirsty skin relief in a tube for all skin types. That's the second item I chose. Then I went for a bath soap. And this has come just in time because we're literally getting rid of our bath this weekend. Only a few more days to go. No more bath time for me, unfortunately. Well, hopefully in the next year or 2 we will put a bath in again, but we're having a big walk-in shower instead. So yeah, I chose this because it just sounded absolutely gorgeous. This is Soak Sunday Midnight Storm Botanical Bath Soak. Activated charcoal, fresh ginger, basil, sea salt and Epsom salt. Detox and restore body and mind. And there's 280 grams there. It's lovely, isn't it? So I'm sure my daughter would share this with me. Not share a bath, obviously. She wouldn't want to do that anymore. But yeah, it does smell nice. So yeah, so that's the 3rd item I chose. Then the 4th item, Grace and Stella Down for the Peel Foot Mask. Dr. Pedicure Foot Peeling Mask. Lemon 1 pair. Oh, lemon smelling feet. I cannot wait. I'm obsessed with lemon smells. Yeah, I normally use these in the summer, not in the winter. So I just thought this sounds really nice actually. It does sound really nice. Why not give my feet a treat in the winter? Soak feet in warm water for 10 minutes, then dry off. Secure foot booties on each foot with the enclosed tape. For best results, wear socks over the booties for warmth to speed up the peeling process. Wear for an hour, then wash feet with soap and water and let the peeling begin, which can take up to about 7 days. And yeah, get rid of any yucky, loose, dead skin. So I chose that. And then lastly, my pajamas. And I went for some dashing leopard print there, in like a black and grey. These got like a silky feel to them. If you are a regular subscriber to the Jarmabox, then you might have received these in one of your boxes. So I've got it in extra large. I'm between a 16 and an 18. If something's on the more snug side, I'll opt for an 18. So she sent me an extra large. Got a nice wide neck. Can't be doing with anything too restrictive at night, no. The sleeves are not tight fitting either. I will try them on and I will show you what they look like on me. But no, I'm sure they'll be fine. And these are the bottoms with the drawstring waist. Yeah, my bum will fit in there. No problem. And then you've got cuffed bottoms there. They do look quite short in the leg. I'm 5'9". But saying that, I never ever wear, I haven't got much of a waist. Not anymore. I used to. After having 3 kids, my body's more rectangle these days. I never wear pyjamas up high on the waist. I tend to just wear them on my hips. So they'll probably be fine for me in the leg. Oh, and there's little pockets there too on the sides. So yeah, so those are the items I chose for this do-it-yourself Jarmabox Select Edition. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this service. If you are already a Jarmabox subscriber, I'd love to hear what you think of it, and also if you have received these in a previous box. All your thoughts and opinions, please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye. Really, really comfy. Really comfy. And quite lightweight as well, really nice. Plenty of room in the top, so definitely fits really well. These are the trousers. No, I think I mentioned it in my video. I tend to wear them right low on my hip. I don't like wearing them up on my belly, but these are really big. These are really big, so they are actually dropping to my hips. But it's completely fine because it is so comfy. They'll just stay on my waist there. I love the design. I like the fact they've got pockets on the sides here. I'm wearing a bra underneath. But yeah, not tight around the neck or anything. Yeah, really happy with them.